In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Chrome passwords step by step so you can back them up or move them to another password manager safely. This is a really useful process if you're switching devices, organizing your accounts, or just making sure you have a secure copy of your saved logins. Before we get started, please make sure you only do this on your own device and keep the exported file private because it will contain sensitive password information. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where you'll find the main Chrome settings and tools. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings page, look for the Autofill and Password section. This area controls your saved payment methods, addresses, and passwords. Click Autofill and Passwords, then choose Google Password Manager. This will open the built-in password manager where Chrome stores your saved login details. Now that you're inside Google Password Manager, look for the Settings option, usually shown with a small gear icon. Click that Settings icon to open the Password Manager options. On this page, you should see an option called Export Passwords. This is the feature that allows you to download all of your saved Chrome passwords into a file. Click Export Passwords, and Chrome will ask you to confirm the action. This step is important because exporting passwords is a security-sensitive action. After that, you'll usually need to enter your computer password, PIN, or use whatever sign-in method is set up on your device. This helps make sure that only you can export the passwords. Once you verify your identity, Chrome will let you choose where to save the file. Pick a location on your computer that you can remember, such as your Downloads folder or desktop, then click Save. Chrome will export the passwords as a CSV file, which is a spreadsheet-style file that can be opened in apps like Excel or imported into another password manager. After the file is saved, take a moment to make sure you store it securely. Because this CSV file contains sensitive information, it's a good idea not to leave it sitting on your desktop for too long. If you only needed it for a transfer, move it to a secure location or delete it once you're finished using it. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Chrome passwords. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you've got a backup or transfer file ready to go. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.